Hi Chad! Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Monday, July 3rd of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. This one's gonna be a little shorter stream today because I got stuff to do. But the plan is to work on pyupgrade. We found some cool stuff that we could maybe work on from the last stream. So we're gonna poke at that, see what we can get there. And if that goes quickly, we'll work on a little thing in Babby. Yes, we're working on the text editor, maybe working on the text editor. No promises, but that's the plan. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into stuff. But first, we must replay. Grandpa's iPad has resubbed at 33 whole ass months. I don't know what a 33 bar is. But thank you for the resub. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you again as always. And I hope you're doing well, Grandpa's iPad. But let's see. JJMC was first today. Hello. Pandoxer is also here. Exonity is here with a Europe-friendly time. Noise, indeed. Grandpa's iPad as well. Hello. Red Sky 1, how you doing? Good to see you again. Exonity. Hello with your whiskey emote. Chair is also here. We got Drunk Time Lord and Fixter Jake. Hello to both of you. We got some new people. Hassan Party, welcome to the stream. Cthero says, hey, JavaScript or Python for our first coding language? I don't think it matters. Either of them are fine. Drunk Time Lord says there's a hardware store in the US called Dick's. Yeah, there's this like really funny meme. Let's see. What? What? Did you just say don't forget Dick Lick? Oh. Okay. Sure. Let me see if I can find the meme. There's like a meme where it like lists a bunch of stores and it's like, yep, they sell that. Yep, they sell that. And then the last one is just a photo of Dick's Sporting Goods and they're like, but for some reason I can't find it. Yeah. There's a bunch of very uninspired face react memes. Anyway, it exists. Trust. 33 repeating to infinity. Got it. Understood. Oh, I get it. Bar like like in math. I understand. I got you now. Stonkfish, hello. How you doing? Belnatha says, wait, early stream. Yeah, there's a holiday tomorrow. And so I have holiday observed today. What? Laugh track for things that aren't funny.
Oh my god.
I'm not trying to be funny yet. Are you laughing because Father's Day observed? Because your work has problems? Yeah, Tina's work had Juneteenth off. I had Juneteenth off also. And someone was like, oh, we get today off because of Father's Day observed. Sniper says Dick's is a sporting store. There's also Spencer's where they sell actual dicks. It's true. I remember as a kid being like, ooh, cool punk rock stuff. And then I was like, Mommy, why are there penises in the back? Yeah. Belwada, hello. Good to see you again. White people moment? Yeah. How's your work on the white people moments? Yeah, there's another worse one, but I don't think I can talk about that one on stream. I can't talk about the confusion one. That one takes a lot more to get into. Grandma's iPad said, one of my coworkers opened a PR titled Fixed Spelling Mistakes, haha. And I can't wait to work on an actual professional dev team. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, they don't exist. It's also, oh yes, Richard's Sporting Goods. Yes, indeed, build on this. I made my share of typo fix PRs, but it's on blog post sources usually. Yeah, that's fair. I usually use typo fixes to test the build. So you'll see I have a bunch of typo PRs for Sentry. But it's almost always after I've like fucked with the build in some way. So a little bit different. PR sounds like Twitch chat. Yeah. Lofkey, hello. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I haven't done anything since Saturday on programming, I don't think. I probably closed some issues as I won't fix, but we did all of our 3.8 upgrades. I probably could have skipped all these because we're gonna work on it in pyupgrade today, and then I could have just let pyupgrade do its thing. But yeah, shrugs. Yeah. So the plan is to try and figure out how we're going to. I think it actually won't be that bad because we have all the little helpers that make it easy. We are going to try and perform this rewrite automatically. Shouldn't be too bad. Spiky Panda, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully doing well. There's two cases here. There's the generator and there's the list comprehension. French detected. What do you mean? Generator. Gesson. 85 filter. Hello. How you doing? I actually don't think this one's gonna be tricky because it's really just detect this in the AST and then find the in and then put shlex.join here and then bloop, all done. And not with the typo. We won't be able to handle the from imported quote, which I guess is fine. Because we don't do anything that adds or removes imports at the moment. Mostly because it's tricky. But yeah. Let's just kind of write some tests and then see what we can do there. Yeah. We might also try and do the 312 type statements one, although we're never going to get that one perfect, and we're just going to ignore the type var part, and it's going to break type checkers, but that's okay. Humans can do the tiny amount of code deletion to make that work, which is fine. What are you? Why do I have this weird line of code here? Why do I have a set with a parenthesized string? And a bunch of numbers with dots in it. This is going to not do what it looks like it's going to do. This is going to make a bunch of letters. Or characters. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know why that's there. Gone now. Tests. Features, shlex.join test. I don't remember how these tests work because it's been a while since we've worked on this project. Tests, features. This is probably a simple one. No, it's probably a simpler one. I don't even know what this is. I don't remember adding this one at all. Okay, this one's dead simple though. Bonus says, today I wrote a Selenium script that parses LinkedIn and checks the stacks that are used in different roles and regions. I got surprised that over 60 out of 100 offers ask for Jenkins and not Google, or not GitHub Actions. GA to me stands for Google Analytics. Quick tools, who wants to use Go? I don't mean that's bad, I just don't get it. A lot of like systemsy people will prefer to use Go for stuff. Why is it tested in both versions? I must have asked for this in review and then just said fuck it and ignored and assumed that they did the right thing, but they did not. So we're gonna have a string and a version. The first string is empty string dot join. What are we gonna do from shlex import quote. Because this is the one where we can't do the rewrite on this one. Harding, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. ID equals quote from imported. And then, oh, we also have to have the version. So this will be 3.8. And then we'll have one that is 3.7. And we can't do this because it is 3.8 plus. 3.8 plus feature. Shlex.join. Oh. Elrad, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Picture Jake says I've somehow managed to stay away from it. Nice. Sunkfish says I have to cut the grass because it's finally not raining, but now I'm stuck on my couch watching the stream. I also have to cut the grass, but I do not want to do a grass cutting stream because then everyone will know where I live and they will come to my house. Yeah. My lawn's a little soggy though, so I don't know that I'm gonna be cutting the grass today. Party at Anthony's place? Probably not, Crow. Probably not, Crow. Take the phone on top of the machine and watch the stream while cutting. True. Yeah. That could work. Hooray! We have 2 passing tests. Of course they're passing because they're no-up tests. Yeah. That shlex.join fixes as expected. I'm gonna make this typo like 50 times today. Parameterize as expected, and then we've got import shlex join quote arg for arg in command, and this becomes import shlex. Oh, shlex.join command. And equals generator expression. Ataxon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Move along, I mean mow a lawn stream. Yeah. Picture says I'm a bit crazy, but I'm excited to own a house, partly due to I like cutting the grass. Yeah, that's why I don't have a lawn service, because I enjoy cutting the grass too. But I grew up on 10 acres, so it's how my dad gave me money. Oh. Songfish says I don't hate cutting the grass, but sitting on my ass is better. Ass is grass? Which I learned was a phrase yesterday. Chad, did you know that was a phrase? Ass is grass? And definitely not ass is grass. Or ass is glass? What was the other one? Glass? Which makes no sense. Oops, that is not where that goes. 3.8. We should have 2 failing tests. We're probably also gonna have to do some funky tests where we parenthesize this in weird ways. Hooray! It's working so far. Wait. Wait, what? Oh. I was like, hold up. These should not be passing. Why are they passing? Okay, there we go. Okay, so pyupgrade plugins. Shlex.join. Gotta figure out how to make one of these. I think we'll do visit call. Probably don't need all these imports, but we'll slap them all in there. Then we can delete them later. Okay. If is instance node. If, well, big ol' if chain. Is instance node dot func ast dot attribute and this is node.func.value.value stir and node.func.adder equals join. Okay, so we've gotten stir.join so far. I guess we also want this. Panoxa says, I don't ever want to hear glass and ass in the same phrase again. I don't know, they make like glass dildos. That's certainly a thing, right? Stockfish says, my mom used to say your ass is grass to me all the time. But what it says, I was born, grew up in the countryside in the village basically, now living in a metropolitan area. On the 13th floor in a flat. Happiest than ever that I don't hear, smell any animals every day and don't have to shovel the bloody snow every freaking winter. That's fair. I kind of like shoveling snow. I find it a little bit therapeutic. Maybe I'm crazy. Rude? IST prit. We don't have it installed. No show offsets. Generator expression, which has an elt and generators. I feel like this changed in a version. I feel like it was not always like this. Keywords? Oh, this is the call. Yeah. Hello. Horrell, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let me make sure stir.join doesn't have anything else it can do. Yeah, it's just iterable. Nice. And Raphael, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Shoveling snow is fine. Unless you don't get to it before somebody drives over it, then it's a bit annoying, yeah, because you have to deal with the ice. But what it says, because you work remote, it would be different cleaning the garage entrance at 7 a.m. I guess like waking up. I don't know, waking up to shovel the snow sounds not the worst. Okay, so what happens if it's a list comp instead? It should have the same structure, right? It does. Very nice. Butterfly meme, is this test-driven development? I mean, it is because I wrote the tests first, but I'm not really TDDing each of these statements here. Which is fine. And is instance. Oh, and len node.args equals 1. And is instance node.args 0. List comp, or what was the other one? Generator exp? Generator exp. And the elt node.arg0.elt. Maybe I should nest this. Nah, we'll just write one giant fucking if statement. And this instance ast.call and is instance node.arg0.elt.func attribute and is instance node.arg0.elt.func.value ast.name and node.arg0.elt.func.value.id equals shlex. and node.arg0.elp.func.adder equals join. Oh boy. And no star args. Node.arg0.elp.func. .elt. That's the function. And len node.arg0.elt.args equals 0. And len node.arg0.generators equals 1. And node.arg0.elt.arg0.id is equal to, oh fuck. These have to be also checked too. Oh my god. Songfish says, gonna do my chores, I suppose. See you later. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Game remote does help me get stuff done around the house. Yeah. Yeah. Holy fuck, this comprehension is, or this if statement is nutty. Let's see, and this instance node.args 0.generator 0.target ast.name. Node.arg0.generator0.ifs. Alright, one last if. Node.arg0. Oh, we gotta check that this is a name too. This should be 1. Node.arg0.elt.arg0.id is equal to node.arg0.generator0.target.id. Whew! Little mouthful. None type is not iterable. Oh. I have learned this trick. I guess you could also do this. Yield from this. So it wasn't a generator. Oh no, we didn't hit our break-a-point. A. Well, let's do this then. Let's just try each of these in order. Okay. Oh. This isn't a thing. So it's before here. Oh, what is the source? My test pad? Oh, my test is bad. Elfinrod, thank you for the resub. It's 17 months. It's good to see you again. Hello, hello to you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I should say shlex.quote. Of course. Stan Robots here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Grimace iPad said, would it be best to assign node.args to a variable for readability or shareability? I mean, I could probably do this cursed nonsense and then use gen. It'd be faster too. But I would not do that. I would probably do this instead. And then say gen equals node.arg0. And then do another if. But instead replace oops. Instead do this. But I don't feel like this is significantly better. Also, I'm not sure the type checker will understand it. I'm not sure it'll understand the original one either, though. But, and actually, this should just be not node.keywords. Yeah, I don't think this is better, so I'm just gonna put it back to what it was. I mean, it's slightly better, it'll perform slightly better, but it also shouldn't matter. I forgot to put this back. It is still not hitting our breakpoint. Got some other little buggy in here. So we tried this one. We got this one. Kyo and Hitesh Pal, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Early stream, indeed, Ormus. How you doing? Just about to head out. You have news to share. Ooh, cool. Well, fuck. Why is it not join? Oh, is it not value.adder? Oh my god, this should say quote. Oops. Nude says easy late. Hooray! Now the if statement passes. Choco Jax! Hi Choco, hi Choco, hi Choco. How you doing? Thank you for the resub at 9 months, which gets you a fancy new badge, although you've got your fancy partner badge, so my badges are nothing compared to your fancy badge. I'm doing well, I'm doing well. I got the day off, so I figured I'd do an earlier stream today. I'm writing the mother of all if statements here. Oh, which you can't even see because I'm doing it on the wrong screen. Yeah, nothing wrong here. no problems here. Definitely no linter would flag this as being a little nutty. But yeah. But it's going well. How about you? How are you doing? I caught part of your stream the other day, but I didn't say hi because I was only there for a few minutes and I didn't want to. You looked busy. You finally realized the Pregament is hella dope. Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. I've definitely spent more than my fair share of time working on it. Oh boy. It's auto update day, so I just got a bunch of auto update emails. Just quickly deleting these ones since I can't actually merge those yet. But Gryffindor says, "Hey, mommy." Hi, Gryffindor. How you doing? Good to see you again. Okay, so we gotta figure out what little helper we're gonna use here. It is auto up dog day, indeed. Did I say hi to IQ Hexen? If not, welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. Gryffindor says, "Hey, mommy." Chocolate Jack, please respond. Pie upgrade. We got some helpers. I don't remember what they are. I think we're gonna be using victims. Maybe. But I don't super remember. Also, why is victims here and not? Oh, this might not exist anymore. I might be able to clean this up. Because I don't support 370. But I don't remember what version it actually landed in. Victims. Oh yeah, this is exactly the function that I want. We are using victims, say that without context and it sounds wrong? I mean, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is actually exactly what we want here. If Jen may need to remove a trailing comma for a comprehension. Damn, it's almost like I wrote exactly the function I need like years ago. I wouldn't have even thought of this. I would not have even thought of this. I think we're gonna set Jen to true always. Yeah. Cool. Fix shlex.join, which is going to take tokens, list token, and start int, and then return none, and then break a point, and then we're going to yield AST2 offset node, and then fix shlex.join. And then the linter should do its thing, and then I can get rid of a bunch of junk. Cool. Is there a reversed enumerate? There's not. Beyond... I don't think reversed works on enumerate, because enumerate's not reversible. But, I think I wrote one for tokenized RT. Reversed enumerate. And I did the cursed 4i in range len thing. But yeah, this is my shitty reversed enumerate. Email types and yield, actual type, tuple, any callable. Oh, it's int list, not list int. Whoops. Okay, cool. Let's run our tests again. This feature shlex.join test. Enumerate reversed produces a result, but not the result you would want. Because the indices would be wrong. Okay, we are sitting at PI. We're sitting at token 4. We have to move forward until we find the open parenthesis. Aimless, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So, I think there's a helper for that. Upgrade. Token helpers. Search until is a thing. Find token. Find open paren. I feel like this is almost as much typing as this is, but J equals find open paren tokens I from pyupgrade token helpers import find open paren, and then we got to do the victims. Arg. Oh fuck! What is arg? Oh, we do actually want to find this, I think. Arg. What do you get used for? Remove all braces before the first element of the inner comprehension's target. Cyril who plays. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. What gets passed in here elsewhere? Arg equals node.args. Doesn't feel right. Yeah, the problem with that, Tom, is Milus ::1 is gonna make a copy, and it requires a sequence. So you can't use it on a iterable. Although, admittedly, my reversed enumerate requires a sequence also. So it probably works. It's probably fine, but it's probably not necessarily what you want. What am I looking for? I am surprised by this. Let's not look at this one. Let's look at... Oh, that is the best one to look at, isn't it? Yeah, I guess we are supposed to pass in the comprehension. Interesting. Okay. Arg equals node.args 0. Fuck. What does it call it here? Oh. Victims, which takes a bunch of parameters. Tokens, J. Arg. And gen equals true. Let's see what this does. Dami says, "Hey, what's up? My other account got locked. But why did... I don't know if that's a good thing to lead with. Why did you get banned?" Did you get banned here or did you get banned on Twitch? Is allowing dupe accounts is against the terms of service. That's why there was almost certainly a reason why. Arg index equals 8. Yeah. Do not put I am 12 years old in chat. Your account will get banned. Okay, interesting. That is the quote-unquote arg index. So we need to find the in. Oh, so your account still exists. Got it. Okay. We're close, I think. We also need to add a test for the comma. So this is not the right thing. S1 Cube, hello. Good to see you again. Let's do dash K comma. This has changed to list comprehension. Oh, and this needs to be fixed again. Why do we not get a first comma index? Oh, because it's here? What's shlex? That's a shell lexer. Yeah, we do get that. Victims. Okay, cool. Very cool, very cool. Now we need to find the in token. Which I guess is not so bad. Row. We have arg index. K equals find tokens tokens comp victims arg index, and then we need to search for it until we find a non-coding token. Really find a coding token. I feel like I have a helper for that too. And I guess not. +1 while tokens K dot name in non-coding tokens plus equals 1. Yeah, we do this a lot. Interestingly, they're almost always in here. Hmm. Hmm. Nope, I'm not here. Hello, hello. Welcome. Okay, so we now have K, which is pointing at the argument. We have these to delete. And we have I. So we should be able to do should be able to delete all of the trailing deleter thingers, I think. Hey, it's a Mr. Singh. Hello. Is that true? I don't know if that's true, Mr. Singh. I believe it is possible to have one without the other. Okay, I believe we want to do tokens. Comp victims dot ends 0 to comp victims dot ends 1 equals token n paren. I think this is how this works. We put code there, but op will work just as well. And then tokens I to k is equal to shlex.join and token op open parenthesis. And this might just work. Of course, I should run the linter first. Non-coding tokens, and then find token. Alan Doherty, welcome to the stream. Oliver Staros, how you doing? Fuck. Why are there more things? Why are there several more things? It got the left-hand side correct, though. Victims.ends. Oh, this is supposed to say -1. I think I said that out loud, too. -1 plus 1. Plus 1? Yeah, non-inclusive. Yo, it fucking works! Let's go, baby! I'm sure there's bugs, but it seems to work so far. Insane! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. Kinda cool. I'm curious if I revert some of my changes in the other ones, whether it successfully does the thing. Just realized the left side is an editor? Yeah, it's my editor. Dio Bandito, hello, hello, get clone. I meant to say good to see you, but I also typed get clone. What is that if statement? It is basically looking specifically for something that looks like this. That is what it is trying to do. Oh, I realize that I don't need this part. This part is not needed. Because it could be something more complicated in there. But I should write a test for it and then show that it's not needed. Test feature shlex.join test. So more complicated, iterable. Oh yeah, failing test. Okay, I was like, why? Why is it failing? Right, we wanted it to intentionally fail. Hey, nice. Does CPython automatically short circuit ifs with many clauses? Yes. Yeah, short circuit. So like as soon as one of these fails, it's not going to check the rest of them. Yeah. So it's only going to run all these if it runs all of those. But it's fairly fast, so there isn't anything super complicated here. There is like this repeated dot and squacket lookup could be faster. Like I could walrus this and then not do it everywhere else, which we showed earlier, but I don't care. Go optimize the database query. That's not where that lives. Precommit CI runner. I feel like I did one here. Yeah. Let's do this and pyupgrade 3.8 plus. Oh, because it's in an F string. Fuck. But we can do it in Python 3.12, right? No. This is how this works. Monster Mackie says, all that part of your if is in the L1 of your CPU. If you're in a real programming language, maybe. It's not going to be L1 in Python. Yeah. Damn, really? Why did it not see that? It should have found this. Should have found this chunk here. Oh, because this isn't a Python file. Duh. Yeah, we don't need you anymore. Yo, let's fucking go, baby! Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. It's so cool. Yeah, pyupgrade is mostly like AST tokenized source tree writing stuff. I don't really know if it qualifies for high level, low level, whatever, blah blah blah. It's mostly just linter code formatter stuff. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. TypeScript is assembly? That's not really true either. Often your interpreter will take your code and JIT it, but on the surface, TypeScript is, JavaScript. JavaScript is not assembly. Can be JITted to assembly if the interpreter feels the need that it's actually going to do that. But there's no way this is a hot point. So like even if I were to port all this to TypeScript, it's extremely unlikely that this would get JITted. But yeah. It's just turning source code into objects that can be mucked around within memory. Yeah. Focky, hello, how you doing? In that way of looking at it, Python is C, which is pure machine code. Yeah. Yeah. As Griffborg says, mostly I deal with stuff that treats code as data. And I don't often do other stuff, but sometimes I do. Like, you know, I built this, which is a web app that I guess still runs code linters and formatters, so at the bottom it's not that different. But big ifs are fighting against branch prediction. That's not really true either. That's not really true either. Like, each of these are a branch, and your branch predictor will potentially cache all of them. What's really a fight against branch predictor is unpredictable branches. Not lots of branches. Lots of branches doesn't really hurt the branch predictor. But also, again, this doesn't involve the branch predictor because Python does not generate machine code, so there's nothing the branch predictor can really do about this. Because it's mostly look up arbitrary value in dictionary, call arbitrary value, and return it. The branches are mostly in the bytecode engine of Python, which doesn't really help you. Rylun says not enough conditionals in that if. We actually just deleted one of them because it wasn't needed. But yeah, it's true. You know, it'd be a good series telling horror programming stories and how they turned out. I do have one of those. Anthony writes code connection done. This one. This is a fun one. This is a pretty good one. What is the thing you're playing with? It is a fidget toy. It is basically a bunch of bubble wrap, but on a ball and reusable and very fun. But yeah. Anyway. Mark says, don't know what all this machine code and byte stuff is. Just sprinkle in some AI and it'll run faster. Promise you, bro. Yeah. But okay, this is pretty cool. I guess add it to the reamd and we're good to go. Have any Pi 3.7 pluses? Here we go, 3.7, so we'll do a 3.8 after it. It should be right here. Shlex.quote. Shlex.join. We'll just do that. Availability. Just fucking copy paste this. Diff. Join. Shlex.quote arg for arg in command. But it's a diff. Replace that with shlex.join command. Pretty sick. Oh, this is so nice. That was pretty easy to write, actually. Yeah. It'll take a while to get used to this keyboard asks. RPM miso. I have a video where I talk about that, so watch the video. You're upgrading the compiler. Why you need AST? No, I'm basically making source code nicer. So like Python introduces new syntax and features, and this tool that I have written will automatically upgrade that source for you. So for instance, this is what you would have to write in Python 2.6, but in 2.7 they added a shorthand set literal. Same with like dictionary comprehensions and a whole bunch of other stuff. Oh, that's why I've never dealt with this, because this is a 3.11 feature. But yeah. Soham C, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh boy, I gotta get the keyboard out of the closet. All right, Easy Light. Let me go swap keyboards for you. Everyone's gonna ask, where'd your other keyboard go? How it's standing up. What? Oh, it doesn't make any sense. I would have to put my foot in the little corner by your garbage. Yeah. I would have to put it near your hoarding. It did not come anywhere near your hoarding.
My garbage.
Your garbage, but French? Your French garbage? That's on Cube likes the old keyboard more. I kind of like the old keyboard too. Shh, don't tell chat. So MC says, I'm well. Hope you're doing well too. I am indeed. If someone asks about the keyboard, you can show them the other keyboard. Kind of. Get in there. I'm out of USB ports again. Did someone say French? Yeah. French? There's French in the building? Just show minor aggression, they'll surrender. I mean... Wait, it stopped doing the... Remember when it went... No. I mean, you can try it on there. It's gonna go... Yeah, it just fixed itself. Weird. Maybe it was too cold? Warm? You know what's weird? No one has asked about the blue ball in a really long time. People used to ask about, what kind of mouse is the blue one? I've never seen a mouse like that. Because it looks like the big ball mouse. The cock and ball mouse. Thank you for giving me my ball back. Okay, no, you don't have to go there. Okay, anyway. Uh, 38 plus. Oops, forgot to add the shoe. Your mouse was visible for a while regarding the blue thing. Yeah, I mean it's kind of on screen. My mat's gone because Tina wanted a mat, and I got her a new one. But I haven't.
That's the sentence.
I haven't gotten mine back. It's gonna be a very interesting unboxing video. Well, the risk of unboxing is my address is on the Amazon package. Oh. Okay. Oh, the LED on the keyboard? Yeah, you can actually change the color to... Oh, the color. These have little LEDs here too, but you can change the backlight intensity. 85854. What? No free ads. They don't need SEO. That is pretty funny. Made in China, new product. No, this is not the color I thought it was gonna be. It's not quite on brand.
No.
What's that? Yeah. It's your color. Hooray, new mat. With thing inside. Okay, here you go. You're welcome. It's a double layer mats. Bot responded to that. Probably shouldn't have. That's fine. Okay. Gonna do a little self-code review here first. This is this actually is not quite correct. Is it? No, it is because it is because it is. It is because we checked that the argument is always a particular subset of things. Normally I would have to check if the indentation is the correct level. But we're actually fine here due to the other assertions. Do you use the Windows ARM dev machine for something? Yeah, it's gonna be my kitchen streaming PC at some point. You were gonna set that up.
I never time. No
Okay.
deadline.
What if I make a deadline for anything?
Not doing.
How many story points is it?
No.
So it's done in 5 years, says Easy Light. I hope it doesn't take 5 years. I mean, most sprint planning is just waterfall in disguise. The water, not even short. Well, it just rolls over to the next sprint anyway. Might as well just plan for 1 year and call it good enough. When's the kitchen stream? At some point. When things are set up, and then we'll cook and bake. It'll be great. Anyway, this looks good. Merge. See if there's another one we can do. This one's gonna be complicated. This one might be cool, but it might be difficult. Kinda wanna do this one. This one's gonna be really easy, probably. Assuming I ignore all of the things that make it difficult. I think I would only look for explicit type aliases, although probably find the non-explicit ones. The thing is, I don't remember if it actually introduces... Really? That's bad. Why did they do this? That makes this rewrite unsafe. Because right now what you can do is... You can do a type alias equals int, and then you can do this. Okay, this is dead in the water. Well, this seems to be poorly spec'd because it breaks. Code that uses the type alias at runtime. For instance, what? Jimmy Nitron, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What are you giggling at? Are you giggling at something I did or something someone else did? Something at work. What? But after rewrite, it would not work at all. Sad face. Okay, well. Monad Stack, welcome to the stream. Next time Anthony has nothing to do in open source, so never. Yeah, typing.type alias type, yeah. Yeah. Surely somebody brought this up, right? Why do they do this? Oh, I guess because it can have type parameters. Quite annoying. Oh well. I'll just mildly grumble about it on Twitter. Where's the new tweet button that is usually right here? Does Twitter remove the ability to tweet? Oh. Python 3.12 type. Won't be auto-writable because they can't be used equivalently. Is it gonna fit, or is it gonna tell me I need a blue? Oh, god damn it. Oh. Do this. Oh, but I wanted to include the link too. Ooh, look at that. Plenty of characters. It's two. Sad. Not having blue in 2023. Well, I'm hoping Twitter dies. Because then I will be free. It'll finally be free. Cyber Benny, hello. How you doing? Okay, well, that eliminates that one. Fuck, that means we have to work on harder ones. This one is possible to do. Although, I don't know who would actually write this intentionally. But this one seems interesting. So I'm going to poke around on this one. Vote for 848. 848. This one? Yeah. $8 would be better used as toilet paper? Yeah. It's true. Because at least it would produce something of value. What? Thank you. You didn't have to pick up the trash. I was going to get it when I fill up my water. Actually... What? Speaking of which, I'm going to go fill my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec, and then we'll try and work on this one. Hello, I'm back. I don't understand. Oh, the white space is off here, but that's fine. It's whatever. Should be one more space there. That's fine. Oh, there should be a space in all these. Oh, we'll just edit it. We'll just fix it. Bloop, 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 bloop. Hooray, it's fixed. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. We did look at the code for this a little bit already. I don't know how easy it's gonna be. The tricky part is mostly that the elif becomes an if. But I suspect it also doesn't handle other chains too. I'm gonna start by writing some tests. Test the features, the version, the branches test. Ah. For now, we don't attempt to rewrite elif. Yeah, I guess we already have a test for it. Huh. It's interesting because I think we could try and rewrite this one too. Like, I think it could know to remove the else branch. Norman says, my news is that 10% of my company are being made redundant. Oh no. The good sign is I was told by someone that my team is going to be okay. Ah. But in the meantime, we write code. Damn. A little dark. Yeah, it looks like we rewrite less than, but not greater than or equal to. The comment here is a little bit wonky. We could rewrite this too. This is doable. This is doable. I'm just gonna take this example and move it down to the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, this one's interesting too. We know this is fine. We actually know this is fine if the character offset is 0. So maybe we'll do that one first. We'll do some of these. We'll do each of these at a time. Version, branches, module level. Nothing about what we can do, or if I'm missing, or what am I saying about our dev? Feels like I'm starting to reach the top end of junior. Do you have any advice for things that differentiate a senior and a junior? This is like an hour-long topic. For me, the way that I think about it is in terms of scope. Like, Tennis Parfait, thank you for the follow. French Detected, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Like, the way that I think about it is in terms of scope. Like, junior, you're usually thinking about like individual task scope, sometimes project scope. Senior, you're dealing with project scope and sometimes, you know, team scope. And like staff, you're dealing with team scope and org scope, and you know, staff plus or principal, or sometimes even staff, you're thinking about company scope. That's kind of how I think about it. And in order to handle those things, you need to be good at like delegating, planning, arguing, convincing people nicely, not arguing. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna move this comment here. Oh, interesting. How does it? This is the same problem. This is literally the same problem. There's a bug right now. If true, if this dot version info is greater than or equal to 36. Oh wait, no, it keeps this chunk. No, it's fine. Never mind. Prompt? It's a funny typo. Print prompt. Can remove no else if add module scope. No failing test now. Cool. Oh. What's the difference between project and team scope? My team is set on a single large-scale project. It's a little unusual, but maybe like even if you're working on one thing, like a project can be a chunk of work on that, like a particular deliverable or particular feature. But yeah. What it says, reading DOS, what does monitoring cover in general? What to look out for? Well, it depends. Like you have like system level metrics where it's like too much CPU, too much memory, etc. Or you have like business metrics where it's like have signups fall into 0. Okay. If pi2 or not pi3, or it's equal to or less than 3 or this. If node dot or else and not is instance if. So this is if without else. Well, if node dot column offset is equal to 0. I figure out what this is. I don't think we have something for this already, so that's fine. Where's this find if else block? Just one. Spiral the Dragon! Thank you for the resub of Prime at 12 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. That Swampert is indeed on steroids, and Swampert is one of the Pokemon I'm trying to catch. Make sure my code figured it out, though. Yeah, we'll be catching True. Yes, it is a Dynamaxed Swampert, and now I have a Dynamaxed Jinx. Big Jinx. Project will be worth like 1 epic's worth of tickets? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that could be, yeah. Could be how it works. Oh. do this properly. Okay. Start and end, tuple, enumerates, tokens. 5 to 16. Yeah. So cell block, cell tokens, block dot start, block dot end. Hey, what's up, Bullford? Hello, how you doing? Shiny Swampert is a nice color. Yeah, well, it is and it isn't. There are so many purple water shinies that it's almost like a little sad. Why does it not? I feel like there's a thing. Why so many purple shinies? But yeah, there are a lot of purple water shinies for whatever reason. But yeah, Swampert's is not bad. Oh, it's not in. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And the fins get purple too. Versioned. Dead version if statements can be deleted at long scope. Color shift method from the early games. Yeah, but that wasn't true anymore in 3rd gen. And most of the water shinies are from 3rd gen. But yeah, in second gen shinies are due to palette swaps. And it was easy to just purple to blue to purple there. Miva, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. A shiny Kogarin goes as soon as it was released. Pure luck. It's one of my favorite Pokemon now. Nice. Random Chatter says, what is your education? I went to college, but I had a programming job before college, so. A little different. Oh, I didn't check the rest of that module. There might be other cases similar to this. Can I get tools? Please speak in English. Thank you. Bye. You don't education for programming? How'd you learn? I taught myself. Why? Because I cannot read your language, and so I cannot properly tell whether you're saying nice things or not. And if I can't moderate my chat, then I will just ban you. That's just how it goes. Because, I mean, you could be spouting slurs or saying terrible things, and I just don't know. Because I don't read your language. And it is not worth my time to put it through a translator. Because I have shit to do. Neo School, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. If pi 3. Interesting that we don't even try here either. Okay, but that's what we're gonna do next. Good. What are you doing? Where are you putting that? Oh. You look like you had an agenda. Random Chatter says, if I want to make my first video game, should I do it in Unity or something like Python? I don't have any advice there. I don't really write games. Yeah, but that's true for any of the popular game framework engines. Even Pygame does. Godot. Yeah. Yeah. Is this a game? Is this a mobile game? Well, how you doing, Wilfred? How you been? I don't make video games. I mean, I have made a game. What? Software and game development? Yeah. Hey, it's better than it used to be. It used to be science and technology. And so we would be in the same category as ducks and 24/7 weed cams. But before that, there was a programming category, and it was perfect, and I want it back, but we had to compromise, hang out with the game devs. Because I don't enjoy watching game dev. Well, okay. It depends on the games, because like most of the people that are no, basic programming is a different thing. That's an actual game. It's not the programming category. Most I guess when I talk about game dev on Twitch, it is very not often that people are writing code. More often that they're futzing around with the game engine or doing modeling or doing stuff that I don't find interesting. Am I sure? Random Chatter. Your name is Random Chatter, and I have a check mark next to my name. I think I know what I'm talking about. The day-to-day process of making games sucks big time. Yeah. Yeah. Anthonius, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. If I want to make games, I shouldn't do programming. I didn't say that. I just said I don't like no, checkmark is for being. I've been on this platform for years. I think I know what I'm talking about. You know what? Bye. I don't have to deal with you. Why did ban? Oh, because I typed bad instead of ban. That's almost funnier. Okay. So let's try and do with LFs now. Alpacalypse, that's a great name. I'm going to college for computer science thinking I'm going to be a game dev. Little did I know programming is the least that game devs work on. So I see this trap that happens a lot, which is that people are like, I want to make video games. I want to be a game dev. But what they don't really realize is most of the time, being an engineer working on games, working on video games, is low-paying, long hours, miserable work. It's a sweatshop, yeah, essentially. Noob404, it's been a while. It's good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 30 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. My recommendation, if you want to be a game dev, is to not specialize in that and instead specialize in software engineering and build games on your spare time. You're gonna make a lot more money, and generally you're gonna be a lot happier. And then because of that, if you're a good software engineer, you're gonna write better games. And indie games are all the rage now anyway. That would be my general recommendation. Unless you want to work 80-hour weeks and make like 40% what worst software engineer could make. Phyllis Fanboy says game dev is so general. You could absolutely do a lot of programming. I mean, it's true, but generally that's not really how it works. But for Forest says it's been a while. Plenty of lurking on my behalf though. Nice. Pig Spine will go to the stream. Hello. Industry is really bad to game devs. I really fell in love with programming and wanted to do backend development. Nice. Oh, hello. My ex, as well as several friends and colleagues, came out of game dev. Can confirm they all hated it. Yeah, I do have one friend that is a game dev, or what was a game dev. They might be back in it now. And they had a decent experience in it, but that was mostly because they worked more in like engine stuff, and were, you know, they were senior enough that it wasn't the coal mines of game dev, but. Yeah. Like Wolford's asking if you're cold, Tina. She just likes to wear a blanket as clothing. Technically, Anthony is game dev. He made the hit game Ken Squared for Android and web. Well, it's not done for web yet. I haven't worked on it in a while, but it's true. I have made a game. But yeah. You know what's really emotional support blanket? You know what's real wild about Twitch? If you ban someone, they can DM you. You would think it would not let them do that. Yeah. You would think that it would block them too, but it does not. Ayo, welcome to the stream. Hello. Man slid into your DMs, yeah. Yeah. So people can be shitty sometimes. Let them. Oh, why is my today wrong? What? Did I not run the right command before stream? Oh, I'm so stupid. I meant to do. Wait, why didn't that copy? I meant to do this. There we go. Hooray! Now it's correct. MOTD, I have shit to do. Yeah, that's true. It's true. Yeah, doing hot girl shit. Hot girl programming shit. Okay, so let's take one of the examples that is currently excluded and move it down. What features? We already did one for shlex.join. And we're not going to be doing one for version branches. I really just like the new GitHub UI. Same. They made it like 6 clicks to do the only things that I do with it. Which is, I hate it. Also, they've broken Control-G and they've broken Control-F. And that's like the 3 things I can do on GitHub are click on pulls and do F and G. And now they're all broken. And I've been grumbling about it since they put me in like pre-alpha right as it came out months ago, like almost a year ago. And I was like, this is bad. This is not an improvement. You are making it harder to use your website. If your product manager is measuring success by number of clicks on a page, then you're winning, but you're making it worse to use for all of your users. And they're like, shmeep schmop, good pretty colors go burr. We somehow made Control F make an AJAX request when the browser has a perfectly good Finder in it. It's just infuriating. They're like, oh, you can press Control F twice. And I'm like, no. Why would you break it in the first place? Also, Control G now does something different. It like opens up It has to be in the code mode. So normally Control G will try and search for the previous thing you searched for. But if you have code open and you, well, that's not code. You have code open and you Control G now, it opens up this jump to line thing. And I'm like, no, I wanted to search for the thing that I just searched for. Like, no, this why did you take over a browser shortcut for something that's completely unrelated? Really fucking annoying. And I would never use this jump to line. I would just Control F8 and get there eventually. Yeah, but I've already got so many scripts that are like undo the dumb product decisions they've made, and it's just like. Thank you for your feedback. We were only asking it to make it look like we cared. Yeah. Transylvania boy, hello, hello. It's been a very long time since you've been on stream. When was the last time you were here? March. You also said it's been a while in March. True. How you doing? Welcome back. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. Because it's basically remove the block and replace the next elif with an if. Oh, but the problem is we don't know if we are the first if. Oh, we do though, because we can look at it this way. This is all doable. Okay. So let's take our test example. Test features, version the branches. For now, we don't attempt to rewrite elif. Haha, but today is a different day. Let's do this one first. If becomes, or elif becomes if. Can I abuse chat to ask a pre-med sport question? I mean, you can. That is something you could do. Could do an MS in Flask. What do you mean by MS? Agree? Over-engineering at its finest. I feel like Flask is not that over-engineered, but it's had to accrue a bunch of complexity over time because it is a very old project. We're going to GitLab CI and trying to get Docker-based hooks working. Oh. Microservice and Flask? I feel like that's not terrible. Oh, Docker and GitLab? Yeah, good luck. I got it working once. Docker is very fiddly, and I feel like GitLab CI makes it even trickier because I don't know if they give your container enough permissions to actually run Docker. You might have better luck doing like Podman, but I also don't know. Fix py2, remove It's weird that it has to do this finding forward. I'm kind of curious what this is about. We're gonna look at it. Thought that might be the case, yeah. Wilfred says, I've been messing with the AST module a lot. I didn't realize how powerful it was. Gorgeous, made a couple scripts to convert some Python code into TypeScript and boom, 30 minutes saved. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see what other test happens here. It's already at the else if there. Is interesting. I'm curious why this needs to happen. Oh, but we can figure that out by doing this. Unclear. Maybe it's for, maybe I didn't write a test for it down here. Oh. Fragment no cover, only for Python less than 3.8.1. Understood. Understood. That's okay, so we might be dealing with an if and we might be dealing with an elif. Which is fine. Okay, so we need to find the first block, definitely. If block equals block, find tokens I. And then we need to find elif. I'm curious. Yeah, interesting. Annoying. Okay, so These two, the AST treats identically. Just sort of a problem. If I get claimed for that, if I get claimed for that, it'd be real lame. Yes, this is a problem. Because it might not be an elif token, it might be an if token. But surely no one would write something dumb like this, right? BJC says, what about elif blocks? That's literally what this is. Are you just talking about the variable name here? Yeah, this may be an if, it may be an elif, which is fine. The code handles it the same. But we need to find... Oh, but we do need to do this, right? Yeah, good call. We'll just leave ourselves a little check for later. Surely no one writes something dumb like this. Good luck. Yeah, it's true. It's true. We'll probably have to handle it. L drop the base. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Or is that supposed to be an I? Is it I drop the base, but with an L? I don't think I even need to do this. Yeah. So we just need to take this token and put it here and then delete the block. So let's actually just do this. Oh, but we need to test in fucking 380. Can I just say... Did I just say fuck 380? We could just say fuck 380 and do 381 plus. That would make this way simpler. Yeah, we'll just do that. Is there any reason why it'd be on 380 and not 381? There is a bug in 380. So I have code to specifically handle the bug in 380. And 37, I guess, also. But I don't support 37. And now I don't support 38 exactly 0. I'm locked in today. I mean, we're doing cool stuff. I'm having fun with this. He's in his Duffy. Oh, there's other things we can do here. Like this one. Depending on the version of Python, some will not emit new line empty string at the end of file which does not end with a new line, for example 370. I'll just do I'm hoping this gives me exactly 380 so that we can. Oh, we would really want to see 381, but I'm pretty sure 380 also works the same. Version. Sweet. Yeah, so we can get rid of this too. So this should be new line. This was greater than 39. If you have this little guy here, then you can do it all the way back to 37. Pretty nice, huh? Yeah, this will simplify the code quite a bit. Loige! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. I probably said your name wrong, but welcome. How was your stream? What were you working on? What were you up to? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python software. Today we're working on a project that I have written called pyupgrade. It is a tool for automatically making your syntax use newer features and getting rid of old shit. Like automatically doing f strings, which is one of the, I guess, flagship features. I normally maintain a bunch of open source Python stuff, such as precommit, pytest, talks, placate, dead snakes, pyupgrade, find text editor, Babby, and about 50 or 60 other projects. But welcome to the stream. Hopefully your stream went well. Welcome to the stream, Le Costa, and Dan Castillo. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, we're just kind of we did this rewrite earlier today, and we are working on some if statement rewriters for version branches, which we had just timidly avoided before, but now we can do those. This is also a pretty nice little cleanup here. I wonder if I have this same problem elsewhere. I feel like there's other code that was dealing with this in some of my other formaters. that one. What changed in the if statements? What are you looking out for? Oh, I was just avoiding. I was just lazy before. I was just like pyupgrade doesn't try and do this at all. But it could convert this elif to an if, which is what we're gonna try and do. What's my other formatter? Yes, QA is, but I guess I could just look at the pre-commit config, right? Reorder, upgrade, and add trailing comma. Okay, I must not have needed to handle this specially elsewhere. Oh, slim. Okay. You have a nasty alias for pyupgrade. It's waiting to go. Okay. Did we merge this yet? No, we didn't. We have. Hooray, I didn't conflict with myself. Why do you have that? Wilfred, my guy, do you know about this? Do you know about this? Nope. Now I do. You can also pre-commit run pyupgrade files. You can just do all files given what that looks like on your alias there. You can just do this. Or you can do pre-commit doesn't work on my PC because of GitHub desktop? It should still work. What is it error with? It should work fine. I've used it with GitHub Desktop before. Okay. Pyupgrade plugins, version branches, breakapoint. If tokens if block.end not equal elif. Tokens if block.end equals source. And then now I'll even call the other one. Kevin's here. Hello, hello. I don't always test my code. When I do, it's in production. Haha. List has no attribute source. Oh. Lead. Hooray! A new test is passing. Okay. But there should be a failure here. Origin branches test. Mathos, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This should hit our defensive bit here. Does. Let's do return. Sweet. Factor GitHub desktop doesn't work with pre-commit. It's really weird. Does it not get add? Is testing to leave it to the users? Meh. Is it brown switches? These are clears. So yes, heavy browns. Kevin says, I just took my neighbor on his first run in 5 years and now he can't wait until the next run. Nice. Yeah, runner's high is some good shit. Runner's high is some good shit. Yep. I missed running. I also can't motivate myself to get out and run. I haven't been running in a while. This song loops, so we're skipping it. Next. Okay, so this is one half of the puzzle. We gotta do the other half of the puzzle now. Which is the other one that we had. Test features version branch. Which is this one. We can do this one too. I don't know why it's not handled yet. We could do that one also. But I don't know that anyone would actually write that. Oh, it was in the paste buffer? Yeah. So this should be converted into what? Should become pass and if? Why? Where is my other test that we just did? Oh, it goes down there. Oh, I've been putting these in the wrong spot. Oh, no, this is, we've been putting in the right spot. This is this is in the wrong spot. This is in the wrong spot also. Shit. Goes up. Happens when there's so many damn tests for this. So I should have a filling test now. We do? Good. Runner's high? Yeah. No big deal, use pigment CI. There you go. There you go. Pyupgrade plugins version branch. So should be in here. Elif len node.orls or else is equal to 1. Okay, so this dedents itself and then deletes after and then deletes the if part. Okay, so we need to do similar. We will need to write a test for this as well. Then we need to do this. And that. Oh, I forgot to get rid of the no-op. I was like, why is this failing? This is the one, right? Sweet. That should fail. Burn. Sweet. Tina's awfully quiet. Is she crocheting? Oh god. Are you playing Cat Cafe? Are you saying no because you are, or no because it's something else?
I'm awfully quiet. Is she crocheting?
Yeah, Wilfred also spelled awfully very interestingly. Like OFFLY. Kevin says he's scratching his crotch. Does that count as crotcheting? Are you doing it with a hook, Kevin?
Yeah,
Depends if you've got a hook, Kevin. No, the lawn people are here. Yeah, it's an old stream meme. I don't think stream can hear the lawn people though. When I was in San Mateo, they could hear the lawn people. The lawn people would always come on a particular day that I don't remember what it was. No one wants the lawn ASMR. No. Kevin's using chopsticks. Does that count as crocheting? Not quite a hook. Knitting? Okay, you're knitting. You're not crocheting, you're knitting. You heard it here first. Absolutely wild shit going on here. Okay, that makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. This one we should be able to do. That one makes sense. This one I don't know why it's not done. Probably because we only deal with less than? Yeah, we only deal with less than or equal to. Oh wait, we do greater than down here. What the fuck? Why not? I don't know why this one isn't rewritten. Sounds dangerous. Yeah. Knitting. Knitting, yeah. Knitting. The nitpicker. Did I post it on the Twitter? Let's see if I can find. Oh, here it is. Well, I can't view Twitter anonymously, so I'll put it on stream for you this time. Found some former coworkers at the store. Nitpicker. For picking your nits. Bargav. Yeah, anyway. Okay, we're gonna try and debug why this one isn't working. It's literal. Okay, that does do just the only one that. Okay. Break a point. My life has been my wife has been beautiful since I deleted Twitter. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Yeah, I feel you there. Okay. Be true. Let me paste this. No. Damn. His name editor. No dot. S dot left. State dot from. God. True. True. It should be false. It should be false. It would be false. This expression just looks wrong. Because this is just checking minor versions. This looks wrong too. What is this doing? Oh, it is correct. VB, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. T-Virus Firefly says, how far you've come. Been watching you for years now. Don't program myself, just really, really into it. It looks like gibberish to me. But Ancient Year release soon. I mean, I'm always making releases. Following since 2019. Damn, you are truly OG. Welcome back. Good to see you again. This feels like it should be correct. So we're gonna do B97, and then it never even gets there. Never even gets there. Is it here now? No, it's here now. So now it's here. Now it's here. No. Now here. Now where is it? 178? Okay, yeah. I don't think Anthony releases on camera though, especially not now that he has Tina around. Oh, she didn't hear that. You're good. You've avoided the ire. 178. Now it's here. Now it is here. That should be true. Should be true. Okay, so here now. That should be true. Staying Robot's back. Hello, hello. Should be false. This should be false. This should be... Oh, you know what? I know what it is. I'm dumb. This probably has a min version that's less than 3.6. So it probably is handled. Yeah, this is default settings, so it's just 3. It's already handled, I'm just wasting my time. There are some no-ups down here, though. What are these ones? Fifth branches are still relevant to the following cases. Where 3.6. So any of these 3.7s won't matter. 3.6 is equal to 3.6. Yep, okay. Wasted a bunch of time on that. That's fine. Handle more flavors of version branches. And I will probably not release this. I'll probably set a reminder for myself to do this tomorrow, because auto update day has already started. I'll do this after auto update day is finished. 8:48. Would you do some screamo for us? I think I should mow the lawn, because it is actually kind of dry outside. Well, they mow through the marsh if they want to. No, we would have to. Kevin says, which lawn are we talking about here? I mean, I already. More stream later? Probably not. I'm going out to dinner. Kevin also likes to mow the lawn. Nice, nice. Yep. Oh boy, things are failing. Okay, what do we fail? Coverage? 220 to exit. Um. 220 to exit is never hit. Which is an else with more than one thing. Oh no, that's covered here. Yeah, it means that the else branch is not hit here, which is interesting. I wonder what the else branch is here. We'll just raise ass and see what it says. Hooray! Hmm. There's no else. And it's indented. Oh, yeah, we don't have this equivalent check there. Also, oh. Actually, are there any cases beyond this? We have single thing in else and it is an if, or anything that's not an if, in or else, or no or else. So are these opposites of each other? The song is looping, so we're gonna go to the next one. Push mower or drive mower? Nice. You don't have a self-propelling mower? Is it electric or gas? Or neither? Electric? Nice. My mower is also electric. Did you mention a gas mower? Really, gas mowers are really, really bad for the environment. Wilfred says same, I'm just gonna say it. Did we bait out the bonks from Wilfred? He used a straight razor once. Exactly once, never again. Yeah, that sounds like pain. Fuck. Are these opposites? Yeah, an else block is either missing, has an if, or it has nothing. Yeah. I think if I write them in a different order, it will be more obvious to me. If there is one element, otherwise, if there is an or else, otherwise this. And then we can rewrite the one above as well. To if there is an or else, otherwise if there is a non-if, otherwise if, otherwise this. Sounds right. Sweet. And the reason that we can rewrite this one, or yeah, the reason we have to check this one is because we're removing the block entirely. But in the Python 3, we're just dedenting it because it's always true. Cool. Very cool. See if there's any other quick ones. We're 3 hours already. This one would be quick in 3:12, but I don't think it can be done. Well, I don't think it can easily be done pre-3:12. Except for very simple expressions. Maybe it could just for simple expressions. Don't think I'm ever going to be doing this one. I'm sad that, oops, your checkbox is here. I'm sad that the person that started working on this never finished it, and then they abandoned it. And they were so close. They just gave up. Which is fine, I guess. Cool. Alright, well that's gonna wrap us up for today. A little bit of a short stream, but that's fine. Let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content. What? Did that not? Okay. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on former streams on the VODs channel. YouTube VODs. VODs don't go up on Twitch because of DMCA. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join. Woosa! Hello, goodbye! There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well if you want to hang out and shoot the shit. Join the Discord, hang out there. Vivek, hello, and goodbye. Astro Lucio, thank you for the follow. And let's go find someone to raid.